main influence talaga of Doc Leo Deriaga on me and my writing is has to do with really sticking to your mother tongue, no? Being able to express what you really want to express using Hiligaynon and our mother tongue. And that doesn't just go for Hiligaynon, it goes for all Philippine languages, kung ano man yung mother tongue natin. Because his argument was always that poetry and literature and fiction and all these things are actually anchored in our culture, our local culture. And it's sometimes very awkward, no? Medyo awkward kung kaisa when you read a story in English, tapos it's all about things happening in our local culture, no? I think that sometimes better to read these stories in Filipino compared to just Hiligay, no? I mean, compared to English. Kung English, do ka balik awot gid bala sa pamasa mo nga ini nga mga istorya, like for instance, I can still recall Doc Leo in one of our discussions saying na, for example, aswang, no? Aswang does not have a direct English translation. It does not have a direct English approximation. May banabal na witch, but that's so different. No, malayo inakaayo sa ginatawag naton nga aswang. Wala siya yasang English translation ng inang term. So another influence siguro ni Doc Leo sa akong work is being more innovative with how we use our language, no? Doc Leo, by the way, is the pioneer for what we refer to as Filipino. So dapat may distinction kita sa Tagalog and Filipino. Kasi when you say Filipino, it's usually laced with regional terms, no? So hindi natin siya makonsider nga Filipino kung puro siya Tagalog. Dapat ang Filipino iya ginalace naton ina. So kay Doc Leo ining advocacy, and he brought this to the higher levels of our institutions. No, gindala niya ni sa NCCA, gindala niya ni, I think he also brought this to the Palanca. And with that being said, I think when they judge for the Palanca and even all other writers' prizes and it's the Filipino category, they would expect no nga may ara kita sang pag-infuse sang mga regional naton ng mga. So I think there agid sa hiligay nun na mabugat gid ang influence ni Doc Leo sa